Welcome to the new episode of Tech Insiders. The Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet of the 2023 model year was shown live before the announcement. Shortly before the presentation, an insider video with a demonstration of the device appeared on the network, where the author of the Creator Studio YouTube channel revealed the design of the future novelty. Compared to the previous model, the Legion Y700 2023 received minor visual changes. In particular, the oval module of the rear camera was replaced with a rectangular one, which includes two sensors and an LED flash. The tablet has become thinner and lighter and also got two USB Type-C ports. The technical specifications were previously disclosed by a digital chat station insider. According to him, the Legion Y700 2023 will receive an 8.8-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The basis of the tablet will be a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip in conjunction with 16 GB of RAM. The device will also have a battery of 6550 mAh and fast charging with a capacity of 45 watts, an 8-megapixel front camera, a rear camera with a 13-megapixel sensor, a linear vibration motor, stereo speakers, and a new cooling system. The premiere of the Lenovo Legion Y700 is expected on July 20th. Samsung has introduced its alternative to Apple Studio Display. Samsung has released a professional monitor, ViewFinity S9. It is positioned as a solution for photographers, designers, and representatives of other specialties that involve working with multimedia content. Samsung ViewFinity is made in a metal case and is equipped with a 27-inch IPS matrix with a resolution of 5120 x 2880 pixels. The refresh rate of the display is 60 Hz. The contrast ratio is 1000 to 1. The brightness is 600 candelas per square meter, and the gray-to-gray response time of 5 milliseconds. The coverage of 99% of the DCI-P3 color space and the color accuracy of delta E less than 2 are claimed. This value can be adjusted using the mobile calibration app. The monitor also received built-in speakers with adaptive sound plus technology support. The list of new features is complemented by a webcam with 4K resolution and several connectors, Thunderbolt 4 with a charging capacity of up to 90 watts, USB Type-C and mini DisplayPort. The stand provides the possibility of tilting, turning, and height adjustment. The price of Samsung ViewFinity in the USA is $1,599.